Welcome to United by Trucks. Today, before we jump into our chat with TTR about his plans for Pecos over the summer and into the fall, I gotta tell you, we got some new merch in. We got the Teddy tees in, the patina Teddy tees restocked. We've got a couple of the pawpaw hats left, and we've got all sorts of other merch on the website. So definitely go check out unitedbytrucks.com. We'll drop a link down in the description and check that merch out. Now, before we jump into this video, I gotta let you know that TTR and I, because of the pandemic, have not really seen each other that much. So we caught up with each other at the C10 Club Georgia meet up in Cumming, and we talked about plans. And even though we haven't seen each other, that doesn't mean we have not been scheming about his plans for Pecos and putting basically that plan in action. So we're doing that right now, and TTR is giving you a little bit of insight as to what Pecos is going to look like come fall. Alright guys, y'all ain't gonna believe who I just found. Who's this? TTR!
What's up, man?
What's up, dude? I feel like I haven't seen you in forever.
It feels like it's been years and years and years.
This dang pandemic got us all tore up.
But everything's messed up, but
we're about to get back to a little wrenching, aren't we?
The only thing that ain't got tore up is this truck.
Although, I gotta say, it looks different.
Well, I've really just been trying to keep it clean. Drove the new Sierra for a little bit, and I think I've been on this thing here almost every day for a month now. I know the million-dollar question and the elephant in the room is the wheels.
Yeah. Tell us what's up with that.
We were at the last swap meet, and Chad Rackley, he's been asking me, here and there about selling my torque thrust.
Yeah.
So he threw out a number I couldn't say no to, and he graciously allowed me to roll on the pawpaw wheels.
The pawpaw, we like to say Pecos is in his pawpaw phase right now.
Yeah.
But not for long, because what kind of plans do you have for this thing?
The truck is perfectly fine, which is all the more reason to just tear it apart and redo everything.
Yeah.
If it ain't broke, now's the time to fix it.
Yeah.
That's what I say. I got Rytec 4-link coilovers, tubular arms, all that stuff going in it. We got Continental tires. There'll be 255s in the front. We're gonna go to a pretty good size 315 in the back. Super excited about those. They're super sticky.
Yeah. What kind of wheels you gonna put inside those tires?
I'm gonna go with I'll say the company, I won't say the wheel.
Yeah, do that.
They're gonna be Hot Rod by Boyd wheels.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in there. They're gonna be a really cool color.
It's a really cool color.
It's not necessarily your traditional color.
It'll be a cool color. We got the color sample from them. Thanks to Travis at AZ Pro for making that happen for us. It's hard to order wheels and you don't know the color, and they were nice enough and generous enough to send me the color swatch to look at it. Dan at Pools Mill, got suspension through him. He's a great guy to deal with, super easy to deal with. He's gonna help with the install.
Yeah, and the cool thing about it is we're gonna film it all in his awesome shop.
Yeah, he's got an amazing facility at his house. I was definitely a little jealous when I went out there. If this is work every day, I'd sign me up.
For real.
So Johnny G out in Arizona, great guy to deal with. I actually went with CPP X10 modular spindles now, so they're really cool. It's sealed hub bearing, all that in one unit into the spindle. It doesn't change the track width at all. Nothing to sit there and grease, any of that stuff. No preload in it, none of that. So it'll be super cool to do that. The only thing with that though is you got to run. Can't run a standard rotor anymore with them. You have to go to a hat and rotor setup like a Willwood. Yeah, you got to go with a hat and rotor setup from Willwood. So there's a couple kits I'm looking at that, and then we'll
document all of it right here on the channel too as it happens.
And I want to go back to the guys at Arizona Pro. Gonna order the D52 setup for the rear from them, so we'll have disc all the way around. Dan's gonna help with that install as well. So it'll be a cool truck. We do have a rendering.
Yes.
We do.
We ain't dropping that yet.
We ain't dropping it yet. It looks absolutely killer. Yeah. Chad at Rendered Rides did an amazing job on it. That guy, if you need a rendering, you need to get with that guy.
For sure. He does all our renderings.
He's super easy to deal with, fast communication, and it's my first rendering, but I thought the prices were very reasonable, so definitely get with him. Don't ask him to see my rendering because he's not going to share it with you.
Strict instructions.
Yeah, he's not going to share it with you. So
well, TTR, man, it's good to see you. We're going to get back and turn some wrenches and I don't know, see what Pecos does next.
See what shakes out. It's going to be fun.
I'm so excited.
Definitely going to be fun.
Well, thanks, man. Good to see you, buddy.
No problem.
All right, guys. So TTR actually brought an issue of the June 2020 Street Trucks that documents our trip to LST, our road trip to LST. 110. He even knows the pages. This is the first time I've actually even seen this. Street Truck sent a couple of copies, but they were the wrong copies. But this is the spread here.
Rick got the best photo.
Yeah, he did. He definitely did. I love that picture right there, though, where we're all.
Yeah, my favorite photo. I like this gas station.
Me too.
It's so awesome.
Yeah, that's probably one of my favorites too. But really, really thankful to Street Trucks. Thankful to Solomon Lunger for helping make this happen. Barry Davis and the whole crew, man. I mean, we basically thank everybody right here. So anybody and everybody who had something to do with the Blazer, the road trip, with UBT in this particular instance, we're thanking you right here. We really appreciate everything that you guys did to help make this happen. So thanks for bringing us over, man. It's the first time I'm seeing it. I think that's crazy.
It's awesome. It's awesome. Yeah, I ended up having to order it. It's been fun. I like it. It's cool.
Yeah. We're gonna get him framed. We're gonna do all sorts of cool stuff.
My mom is.
We're gonna be
proud.
those guys.
Yeah, my mom's proud. I'm from a small town. Mom's super proud.
Yeah. I'm proud. I'm proud of him. You cut it.
I'm proud.
Cue the music.